In this video, I'd like to talk to you about the Annke I61DY. This is the new IP camera from Annke. The camera itself has got a 4mm lens, which essentially means you'll get a 67-degree field of view. So this makes ideal application for installation, watching a field or your garden, something like that. Now you'll note that there are no IR LEDs. That's because this camera works with EXIR technology. It's a little bit more efficient in terms of lighting up at night, and you'll get around 30 meters worth of illumination out of the camera itself. The camera can be powered up by 12-volt DC input as well as from any standard PoE switch. And what makes this such a good camera is it's fully compatible with all Hikvision NVRs. So if you're looking for a more cost-effective alternative, this is exactly what you guys are looking for. Now, if you have any questions or comments, or you want to get in touch with us or ask something more about the camera, please feel free to give us a call. We'll do our best to help you.